A few people have asked about giant robot shirts because I have this new giant robot project. And on my last giant robot project, I sold these giant robot shirts. I still have one. Can you believe it? It's getting pretty faded by now. But anyway, I designed a new shirt. I tried to do a really good job on it and make it super cool. And I noticed yesterday that the site where I sell the shirts is having a big sale, I think until the 6th of January. Anyway, so I stayed up late last night and finished the shirt and got it up on there. And I'll put the link is in the description. Can I put a link right here too? Right here? I don't know. I'll try to do that. I make about $6 a shirt, and that totally goes to giant robot parts. I've actually already spent like $2,400 on giant robot parts. Anyway, okay, Jaimie, put a picture of the image for the shirt right here so people can see. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get out of here and go work on my scale model of the giant robot so I can, work out all the bugs before the parts get here. But that's all in the video, next giant robot video. Okay, have an awesome one, everyone. Oh, one more thing. Giant robot shirts increase your stats by 25% across the board. You're probably wondering why I'm so hyped up right now. It's because I'm wearing a giant robot shirt. I'm like powered up. Yeah!